Hey, Ma, you're gonna have to change the slogan on your business card.
Don't bug me, I'm leaving. I know. What the fuck we's gonna do now, Boise?
Jesus H, Tubby, does I look like a rich man with fucking money-making ideas? Use your goddamn skull. If I knew how to get money, would I be fucking standing here with you?
Don't you raise your fucking voice at me!
You ain't the boss of me.
When we got married, you promised to provide for me.
When we got married, I was loaded, and I thought you was someone else.
Tough shit. You was got me, so start providing. Nah, nothing exciting fucking ever happens to us.
Jesus, it makes me mad.
And since you's already got that, then you can put a lid on it and forget getting anything else ever.
Fuck, I hate her.
Dear Anastasia. Oh, man. I should have worn my stretch pants.
That was some good motherfucking meat.